All right, guys. The video that'll be posting shortly today is about like 10 side hustle jobs that you can do for the summer if you don't mind working. So one of them was talking about kind of yard work. So what I'm doing now is giving you an example of one of those side hustle tips. So right now I'm currently off of Summer and Yale. I want to say Summer and Yale. They have, plenty of lumber here. And if you go to the sign right there, it says free firewood. Right there, that sign says free firewood. So what I'm showing you is what I'm here doing right now. I have my wife's little Honda CRV. I've only loaded up with enough right now to stock up, but got my little chainsaw right here, and I cut me up some firewood. Now this firewood is for me and for my house. And in our house, we plan ahead because the Bible tells you that a wise man thinks ahead. I know this winter we're going to burn a lot of lumber. We did last winter, the winter before that, so on and so forth. So what I'm doing is cutting up some firewood. Now I'm cutting my pieces for a specific size and length because they're going in my fireplace and I don't want to have to chop anything in the winter. So I'm cutting it to a specific size and length for my fireplace. But also, as you can tell, there's a lot of lumber here, meaning you can take this firewood, you can cut it up, and then, I'm gonna cut this piece too. And then you can let it dry out, keep it covered, let it dry out in a safe space if you have room at your home. And you can actually sell this firewood during the springtime, during the fall season. You can sell this firewood to people in your neighborhood, to people around. You can sell it actually $3 a bundle, $2 a bundle. You're getting it for free, and you can make a killing. And you can undercut anyone else because you can get a lot more, and then you're getting it for free. You can sell it for $1 a bundle and still make a profit. And that's the whole goal. People say there's no jobs. There are plenty of things out here where you can do. You can come out here and do what I'm doing. Grab some of this firewood, cut it up if you got a chainsaw, cut it up real quick. I've been coming by here for the last month, once a day, load the back of my wife's car, and then take off. I'll show you my little area I'm building around my house where I'm just storing some of the firewood for the winter. And again, this is one of those side hustles that are, just out there in the open, man-made. I'm getting free wood, free firewood, cutting it up, and then I can sell it if I choose to in the fall season for firewood. I can sell it for whatever I need to. So just giving you guys an example. I got my chainsaw. I'm finna cut this piece right here. It's just hanging right here. That'll be a nice size. Cut it and get it about right there. It should be good enough to go at the base of the that I'm building on the side of the house. So guys, have a blessed day. Be safe. I love you. Keep your mind open for ideas where you can cut your costs, keep your overhead low. Like, I'm not paying anything for this wood. The sign says free. I can sell it $2, $3, $5, $10, $20 a bundle and make complete profit off of free wood. So that's just giving you guys some examples. I love you. Have a blessed day. Au revoir. À bientôt. À la prochaine.